Hi, so today we're going to be doing some print and cut stickers with this Dreamtop holographic vinyl overlay, like laminating sheets for your stickers. They're so pretty, they're holographic. Like I've had these for a while and I never even used it because, I don't know, they're just so pretty. I don't want to use it up. Silly, right? But yeah, so one is confetti, like a small confetti kind of design. This one's like a cracked glass one, so sparkly. And then the hearts, yeah, there you can see, and butterflies. And stars. So I'm going to be using the stars, and I'm just going to be doing more like logo stickers for my Etsy shop. I ran out, so yeah, I'm going to make more of these. So I'll show you what I do on Cricut Design Space and how I apply this laminate. So the first step to creating print and cut stickers is to upload your images if it's not already in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to find my file and just drag and drop it in, and then hit complex. And we already have a transparent background, but I'm going to double check to make sure that it looks good. And then select print and cut, and I'm going to name my image so I can search for it later if I need to. Okay, then I'm going to select it and add to canvas. So the next thing I'm going to do is get a square and then unlock it and set the dimensions to 6.75 by 9 by 2.5. And this is the maximum print and cut space that you can use. So it's super helpful to have this template. And I'm going to send it to back so I can see and arrange everything else. This is a little big. I'm going to make this about maybe 2 inches. And then I'm just going to fill in as much as I can on this rectangle. Like I don't want to waste any space. So I'm just going to fast forward and do this. You really just have to rearrange some things, and even if there's a little bit of space, you want to like fill it up so you don't waste sticker paper or this really pretty holographic sheet. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up every little space that I can. Really don't want to waste any materials. Okay, so if you just hit make it right now, this is what would happen. Cricut would automatically place all the stickers however they want it, and we're going to be wasting paper. So what we're going to do is select everything and attach. And then we're going to go, and I see like it has to be adjusted a little. For some reason it went over 6.75. So we're just going to adjust that and then hide that rectangle. Okay, now we're ready to make it. And there you have your whole sheet on one page. I'm gonna print with the bleed, and I'm gonna use System Dialog, select print, and my printer dialog is always in the back of Cricut Design Space. Okay, and if you have settings that you like to use, sometimes I use glossy photo paper and then best, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and print it. So here is my printed sheet of stickers and the star holographic laminating sheet, and all I did was I measured and I cut the holographic sheet to fit inside the black lines. You really want it to fit inside because the Cricut may not pick up the registration lines with something shiny on it. And then now we have to apply the laminating sheet. So once you get a corner off, I like to fold it over. And we're just gonna try to put the laminating sheet exactly inside of the black lines. So I'll align the bottom and then kind of press it up. And then once you have that corner, you're just gonna peel the backing off slowly and kind of roll it down. And you wanna try not to get air bubbles in as much as possible. And then I'm gonna get my brayer and try to just smooth it out. And this is a very thin laminating sheet. I usually use one that's kind of thicker for like ID cards and stuff. So yeah, this one had a couple bubbles. And if you can't use the brayer and get it out, sometimes I will get the squeegee and see if I can just slide it out. There, I don't know if you can see it. They're really small, but they're still in there. And I wouldn't use a harsh squeegee. You don't want to scratch your stickers. So if that doesn't work, then we use the pin pen. So I have a mechanical pencil with a sewing needle in it, like my own makeshift pin pen. And if you just poke a hole on the top and press it, it'll usually take that air bubble out. And some of these are so small, you can barely see it anyways. And you really won't see where you use the pin pen. It makes such a tiny hole. So I'm just gonna double check one more time and flatten out all those air bubbles. Now we're gonna put our sticker sheet on the mat and make sure you have the right side up. So for my material, I'm gonna use foil poster board. It really depends if you want a kiss cut or if you want it to cut all the way through. And for this one, I want to cut all the way through. So now we're just going to insert the mat into the machine and then press cut. Okay, so the stickers are done cutting, but before I take out the mat, I always double check the cuts on the stickers to make sure it went through or went through enough if it's like a kiss cut. So that looks fine. And now I'm gonna just remove them from the mat. Okay, so here are the stickers, the large, the medium, and the small. And they all have that star shine on it, so cute. And I use these for wrapping my Etsy orders. So I have my bubble mailer, I wrap whatever it is in tissue, stick one of these on, and throw in the thank you card. But yeah, so thanks for joining me. I hope you try out this Dreamtop holographic laminate sheets. They're so pretty, like even prettier in person. I'm gonna save my scraps for something else because I don't want to waste it. But yeah, if you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You're acting true. Don't be so